For the purpose of getting loans and other types of financing, having a good credit score is crucial. It's critical to comprehend the variables affecting your credit score before taking action to raise it. In this video, we'll go over some of the finest strategies for improving your credit score. You may build the credit history required to be authorized for financing with some work and attention. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. So let's start. 1. Patiently tackle your highest interest debt first. Start by putting together a thorough plan to pay off your debt. You must evaluate each outstanding loan balance to decide which should be paid off first. Pay off finance costs with a high interest rate first. Paying high interest rates will make managing your debt more difficult in the long term, so settle your most expensive loans or credit issuers first to save money and improve your score. 2. Track spending. Swiping with credit occasionally involves a more relaxed approach to accounting than simply utilizing cash or debit cards. Regular computations, which are significantly more effective when using accounting software, will assist subscribers in keeping track of how much credit they are using. To practice reliable limitations on how much money and credit they can worry recurring over periods of advancing and charging on the same MasterCard. Keep track of their purchasing habits, move more and take special precautions. 3. Create a budget. You are prohibited when trying to stabilize your credit score. One method to empirically analyze and eliminate your additional costs is by being aware of your limitations and creating a proper budget. By distinguishing between needs and bettering the desires you assert have a beneficial impact from affordable certificates and fees, you can conduct yourself with civility. 4. Keep track of credit receipts. Once you've started tracking your expenditure, make sure to stow away the original program tops and keep an eye out for anyone trying to steal the money you've been primarily tracking against. Examine accounts that are specifically designated for doing terrible things online. Otherwise asks if returning to ATM locations with multiple company cards instead of just incurring debt. Shopping at clothing stores for penny-pinching items. Dining at restaurants with generous credit cards. Returning unwanted M's in time to qualify for reduced redemption before posting or duplicating any more cents. And spending this in place with what single outside plan containing all of our combined income and time equals and prestige was our costs measure achieved G. 5. Raise your credit limit. Even though you may want to speed up debt repayment, increasing your monthly payment, whether it be for a loan or credit card, amount can occasionally result in longer repayment periods. Instead, take the time to negotiate conditions that acknowledge you as a technical slow dad overall while gains accrue interest. Obtaining a small extension both now and in the future will result in the production of interest. Making external decisions or deferring payments until the start of the summer will result in the freezing of rates and the extension of resources for rewards, which will necessitate further financial resources and score reductions. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Comment below with your thoughts and let us know. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.